मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है आकर्षिता वाइब्स में सुबह सुबह। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। अगर आप मुझे इन दिनों में अगर सुबह जल्दी उठ के तैयार हो तो वह देख लेना। सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट आई एम पक्का गोइंग समवेयर फॉर अ गुड ब्रेकफास्ट. So these days, as you know, like I am not going outside too much. So I'm making so much good plans for new breakfast places. So recently I have found one place in Kakinada which is Mysore Cafe. Every other day I want to go there. So it's been like my third or fourth visit over there. That's how I just love doshas and idlis. There are so many things actually. You can have pot kadla curry, everything I like. But as I'm going to a Bangalorean cafe, so I'll choose to have some their type of food. So let's go and have it. But I have to wake up Aparna also because she's sleeping. Appu? She's taking shower. I can hear the sound of water. So let her get dressed. Let me get ready. Let's go to have some good breakfast. आपको मैं सीरियसली नहीं बता सकती, मतलब हाउ एक्साइटेड आई एम टू गो टू सम प्लेस हियर एंड हैव अ गुड ब्रेकफास्ट, बिकॉज you will only understand my feeling if you are in Kerala, you wake up early, or might be you are in Bangalore and you're waking up early and going to a South Indian cafe.
मसाला डोसा बिफोर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर।
आज मैं आई हूँ काकनाड की मैसूर रामन इडली वाली ब्रांच पे। तो काकनाड में भी 2 ब्रांचेस हैं आई गेस, और यहाँ का डोसा मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही पसंद है। आई जस्ट लव दिस बेनी डोसा. You would have seen my dosa. We just had a dosa from this Mysore Raman idli. I love the dosa, but she didn't like it. The reason is she actually had the real Bangalore dosa. So she is saying like this is not the real authentic one. But I never had it, so I liked it. Next time she is going to take me to Bangalore to have this dosa. Here and suddenly she saw a dog in the car. That dog. And for that she stopped posing for the photograph. See? I thought like you saw someone whom you already know. So I felt like you were about to meet someone. We both are sitting roadside because it's only just not even 10 a.m. and she has to do shopping. She has to take her laptop from repair. So many things are there. But every shop will get open only by 11 or 10:30. So we both are just chumma sitting so that we can waste some time. And we are just talking about that we are feeling unbothered as we are sitting anywhere. Car over there and we both are sitting here on the roadside. You can see actually our condition. We came from a scooty and we both are sitting here because we want to buy some comb which should be less costly. So we are just a comb. And see, I'm telling you the reality. So anyway, this is our pocket situation right now. Oh wow. So we both are discussing the color of the car is not good. That car would have costed around, how much would be, even I don't know actually, how much would be the Safari is the car.
More than 20 lakhs.
Okay, so Safari is the car. You comment and let us know what would be the cost of this car. So we both have equal also.
Anyway, bigger than our bank account.
Bigger than, not even nearby our bank account. So we are sitting here and judging that car and saying like the color is not good and it doesn't look good, and we are judging on the basis of our pocket is zero. You just comment and let us know how much a Safari car costs. You can see it's over there how much will be the cost, but we are still sitting here and judging and see our situation. We are sitting here. We actually cleaned this first and then we sat over here, and that's how we are judging that car. Indians and judgments are very level. Girls while they are shopping. So I told you right, we came here to buy a comb. I'll show you how much shopping we did so far. Let me show you this. These are the set of cups, jars and some more extra things. and she is still shopping.
It's for my fish fry.
I told her the purpose of this. Why are you buying this for? So I just told like fish fry will look good in this. So from that time she's telling she want to put fish fry in this.
Yeah. 3 plate of fish fry, please.
3 plates.
Yeah.
How many fish will come in your 3 plates?
Not.
She is still confused.
But I'm taking. Anyway, I'm taking. This is
Take
for
it.
me, this is for Ed, and this is for Auntie.
Wow.
Anyway, she is vegetarian, but
What if you get married this year?
I'll take this to my husband's house.
You will take it to your husband's home. Then what about Auntie, Chetan? Apo, ice cream plate.
I am on sugar cut.
You are on sugar cut.
No, you.
I am on sugar cut. But I won't mind taking it.
But it's
Guys, she went to purchase one comb. And this is the one comb which she have purchased.
my God.
Apu, just one question I wanted to ask you. What is all that? What is all that?
There is no comb that I can see.
There's no comb in that, right? So this is how our shopping went. We went in the early morning to have breakfast. She wanted to purchase one comb, as you have seen from the initial of the video. Now we have 3 cartons. And see that lady was hiding her face. There is no comb inside. Even I'm telling you, there is nothing useful. But still we have all this. I will even try to show you what did we bought. What's in my box. And the shameless lady. We have spent around 1000 rupees, okay? For 120 rupee comb. Shameless. She is hiding. One comb, my God. And because of her, I also came into a trap. I also purchased all these things. Let's lock the gate and let's unbox all this. And these boxes we got for free because we had that much of thing. Even they were thinking, how are we going to take all this? We bought this t-shirt for my papa. That's for it. I'll show you very quickly. This we bought, I do not know for what purpose, but we just bought it and I like it. Okay. Aparna bought this for her fishes, which is not bought yet. And we bought some set of cups. This is what Aparna bought. Tell us in comment section whether you like it or not, because Aparna was so confused whether she should take this or not.
And I took both.
She took both, yeah. I'm showing you what and all she bought, okay? And then see guys, keep note in your mind that we went to buy a comb, hair comb. That is still not there. This one I and Appu bought. How is it? Hey, 1 minute. Now show this. You have to guess the prices, okay? So this one, I and Aparna we just fell in love with this. So we both bought same cups. So this is one. I bought some rajma because I love rajma. And Aparna bought some face towel. Still, again I'm reminding you, no hair comb. For face also there is a towel.
2 towels.
2 towels. Yeah, there is 1 and 2. Another one is one more cup set, which is like similar to the one which we had before, because we both like the same piece, and we asked the people who were showing us, we asked them, they have searched in the entire shop to buy this to give us the same piece. Okay, so this is all we bought. I think other things are over there. So just think, instead of one hair comb, 2 girls going for breakfast, morning breakfast, and ending up with all this mess up. This is real girls' life. इतनी सारी शॉपिंग करने के बाद मैं हो चुकी हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड और दोबारा से मुझे भूख लगाई है। और आज मैंने लंच में बनाए हैं पुलाव, आलू टमाटर की सब्ज़ी यूपी वाली, चपाती, ग्रीन चिली विद सम अनियंस। और अब मैं बैठ गई हूँ अपने काम पे। इतना सब कुछ खा पी के शॉपिंग करके अब मैं फाइनली अपने वर्क पे बैठ चुकी हूँ। जनरली क्या होता है ना, जैसे ही मैं वर्क करती हूँ ना तो पैरेलली मेरा फ़ोन एक्टिव रहता है। फ़ोन एक्टिव इन द सेंस लाइक, सो आई एम यूजिंग एप्पल मोबाइल फ़ोन इन विच देर इज़ सिरी। इन डिफरेंट फ़ोन देर इज़ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ असिस्टेंट, वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट। तो मैं फुल टाइम अपने असिस्टेंट से बहुत काम कराती हूँ। तो मेरे लिए तो सिरी इज़ एन अनपेड एम्प्लॉय राइट नाउ। See, so this is how I just interact with my Siri and get my works done. So this is very much, my parents are also amazed with this. Hey Siri, keep an alarm of 5:28 for a meeting.
Your 5:28 p.m. alarm is already on.
No, Arey Siri, it's 5:28 a.m. alarm. Siri. Hey Siri, turn off 5:28 p.m. alarm and make it 5:28 a.m. alarm for the client meeting.
I've turned off your 5:28 p.m. alarm.
Hey Siri,
Hi there.
what about my 5:28 a.m. alarm in the morning?
You don't have any alarms.
Why are you not putting it?
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Please set an alarm for 5:28 a.m. for a client meeting.
Your client meeting alarm is set for 5:28 a.m.
Thank you.
Again we are here.
Your crispy dosha is here. आप भी सोचते होंगे इनका दिन डोसा से शुरू होता है और डोसा पे ही आके ख़त्म हो जाता है. दैट इज़ ट्रू एक्चुअली. That's why for a change I have ordered samosa for me today in the evening time. After having samosa, I came to Lenskart to see different type of glasses, and I like this one and the other one, which is this one. So just comment and let me know which is the glass you like the most. I'm going to purchase that one only. I haven't purchased so far. And after this much of entire day of eating, working, shopping, this is the relaxation which we get. So मैं और अपर्णा आ चुके हैं आर्यास पे पानी पूरी ट्राई करने. एंड पानी पूरी इज़ लव फॉर गर्ल्स. In Kerala there is not that much of obsession of eating pani puri, but yeah, I am super obsessed with pani puri. This is not the real authentic one, but yeah, this is okay. So today I just came to try pani puri in Aryas and I am enjoying this to the extreme level.
Really, it's not the authentic one, but still it's not khatta. Khatta means that sour.
Imli you eat?
Yeah, got it.
Eat it. Have it. ही खाते पीते हंसते गाते हमारा आज का दिन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. तो दिन की एंडिंग कैसे बिना खाए हो सकती है, आप देख सकते हो सुबह से लेकर शाम तक हम लोग खा पी ही रहे हैं. तो ये बन मस्का प्लेस है जो कि काकनाड में है, एग्जैक्टली इन फ्रंट ऑफ इन्फो पार्क गेट. तो मैंने तो ट्राई नहीं किया, बट अपर्णा हैव ट्राइड दिस एंड शी फाउंड इट रियली टेस्टी. सो इफ़ यू आर नियर बाई काकनाड यू शुड ट्राई दिस. और आपको आज का मेरा ब्लॉग कैसा लगा, प्लीज़ कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपके कमेंट्स पढ़ने के बाद. सो जस्ट लेट मी नो. मोस्टली आज मैंने आपको दिखाया आज मेरा दिन कैसा रहा. जनरली मैं आपको ट्रैवल भी दिखाती हूँ और केरला का कल्चर भी दिखाती हूँ अपने ब्लॉग्स पे. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी सजेशंस डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून्ड. बाय. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. राधे राधे.